Hello, welcome to a quick demo of Byte. In this case, I will be the persona of a global trade manager, and I want to screen a bill of materials that I have for my company here. It's a cloth bag with an elastic band on it, and I want to check for any risk. So the first thing I do is look at Byte and note the tools I have. I have a classification tool to check harmonized tariff schedules. We have a tariff checker coming out pretty soon, not quite there yet, a screening tool for risk, and a monitoring tool to keep on checking for risk. So if I had my uh, two materials within the bag, I'd maybe want to check the classification of one first. So I'd go to the classifier, I'd type in elastic band, hit run, and it'll start to ask me questions. If I say no to that, I keep going, and let's put in synthetic rubber. It'll keep going, and I'll press yes. I'll say no to that. And here we go. So I can see that my HTS code is slightly different to the one in here. I'll go ahead and update my bill of materials. I can then go ahead and start scanning for risk. Let's take the supplier. So here I go into my screening tool. I'll be in the people and company section. I'll type in Centro Polymer LLC, run a screen, and AI is coming back with a 100% hit that this is a high-risk entity associated with the Russian Federation. I can go and look at the ticket. So I've already found one issue here. I can then go ahead and check the HTS. So I'll go ahead here, screen for a product here, and run screen. I have 6 hits. Additionally, there is a forced labor hit here as well for plastics coming in from China. So there we go. I can also create a ticket to track this, and I can put it in as bomb check for my cotton bag. So here I've already found a couple of issues. I can go to my ask agent and say, what should I do if I find a supplier that is high risk from Russia or China? And here we go. It'll tell you what to do for your due diligence and what you need to do. I can grab some of this information. Maybe I care about items 5 and 6. I can go to my monitor ticket that I've just created here, and I can add a comment. So here I have my due diligence. I can then go and explore with my company the next steps here, including whether I need to register a risk. So fairly quick process, took less than 2 minutes, and I'm able to identify risk. I can also go into monitor and I can run a bulk check. So maybe I have a few more items, machine assembly, light fitting, etc. I can go into Byte. I can say I've got a multiple entry ticket. I want to scan it once. I can go ahead and upload my CSV. I will say that I want to scan some of them. So let me hit search all, hit next. I will address my screening parameters later and hit submit. And here we go. I've successfully created a ticket. I can go in, look at my ticket, and look at the risk. So there's a steel coupling issue, anti-dumping, and I can go in and look at exactly why there's some challenges with that. So I've just screened a bomb very quickly, as well as a list of parts to identify risk. So that's taken me less than 3 minutes. Generally, that would probably have taken 2 to 3 hours for a global trade compliance professional. In the app as well, we have a visualization tool here. I can take as much data as I need, set up different visualizations for myself. I can check all my suppliers coming into the platform. I also have a training module here where I can go take intro level courses or share those within my company, or video based or very short lessons. Everything is accessible via API as well. You can go in and look at the Swagger docs, look at how to connect, how to screen for certain entities. And there's also pricing in here too. A deeper data catalog shows you all of the data sets in the platform. I can even look at politically exposed persons and beneficial ownership if I wanted to as well. And my account is accessible from the platform. I can look at who's on my team and I can add licenses if I want to as well. So this was kind of a quick use case for a global trade manager looking for risk in their supply chain in order to make sure they're not fined, to ensure they're using the right classification on the products, and to keep tracking and screening. So if customs does come, I have an audit trail in my monitor tickets where I can go and look at exactly what's happened in since I created a ticket. So, yep, that's Byte. Thanks a lot.